Hi y'all, I'm Evan Bagley, and today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to make a scary sound with your guitar. And we're just gonna be, it's like for Halloween because it's in 5 days, because right now it's October 26th at the moment. This is my guitar. It's a little bit small. That's because I'm also a beginner. So I first want to go over some basics. This is E, A, D, G, B, E. Okay. So this is how to do it. I recommend D because it is like a deeper sound. So you're going to put your finger on any fret of your choice, and you're gonna keep moving it as you play, like this. And you're gonna do it just like that. And whenever you did it, like the second part is you're gonna go. So this is what it should sound like. Doesn't that sound cool? To me, it sounds cool. So, I think it's cool for, go Carson. This is my sister, okay? This is Carson. Can you shut our bathroom door?
Yes, I can.
Okay, anyway. So, put it on any fret you want. Put your finger pressed down on it. Make sure it's just that finger. And go. So make sure to like and comment if you want any more guitar tutorials. Also subscribe, like my sister said. Share with your friends if they play guitar. And if you don't play guitar, share it with someone you know who does play guitar. And if you don't know anyone who plays guitar, that's okay. Just glad you've seen this. So I'm about to end the video. Comment if you have any questions, and I'll make sure to answer them in the next video.